Namaste. This is Kalu Waterfall, one of the most popular and most powerful waterfall in Maharashtra, situated near from Mumbai or Pune at the base of Harishchandragad Fort and Malshej Ghat. In this video, I will share you the information about this trek. Namaste. Kalu Waterfall is one of the most famous waterfall near Pune, Mumbai in Maharashtra. But when you try to reach over here by using the Google map, it shows 3-4 different locations. So in this video, I would like to clarify all these locations and then you decide where to go and search accordingly. If you see, the location of Kalu Waterfall is near to the base of Malshej Ghat and the famous Harishchandra Fort. So let us go over here. Okay, you will find 2-3 different locations. This one, reverse waterfall and Kalu waterfall aside, then this one Kalu waterfall viewpoint, and also this one is Kalu waterfall. So these are different locations. So if you want to see the waterfall on the top just from a distance, so these are different points. If you want to come over here, you need to find out the location of Kireshwar. From here you can park your vehicle and there is a food and stay facility over here, and then just is simply the trail of 30 to 40 minutes to reach here. So if you want to observe the Kalu waterfall from the top, these 2 points are there. If you want to go to the base of the waterfall, then you will have to come over here, the Thidbi village, where you will find the home and stay facilities. Here you can park the vehicle and just by simply walk of 80 to 90 minutes you can reach to the base of the Kalu waterfall. The trail is very clear and there is very much crowded because it is that much popular. Here sometime to cross the river you need to make use of the ropes. The professionals are generally available in the rainy days. They take some nominal charges and then you can reach to the base of the Kalu waterfall. Then you can reach by walk, or you can see these small trails alongside with the water stream, and from this side you can reach to the Kalu waterfall. Here you will see. And there is one more waterfall, it is called Paradise waterfall, which is here. So simply if you want to see the waterfall from the top side, choose this side and go to the Kireshwar village. If you want to reach to the base, then come to Thidbi here. This is the base village at the base of the Malshej Ghat, and then you can reach to the different views of the Kalu waterfall. We started from Pune. It was in July 2025. The roads you are seeing in the video is from Junnar to Malshej Ghat. It took us 4 hours to reach at the base of Kalu waterfall from Malshej Ghat. Enjoy the views. When we will reach at the base of the Kalu waterfall, I will give you the next information from that point. Once you get down at the base of the Malshej Ghat, then take right. You will find there is a board for the Kalu Waterfall, and simply you are entering in the countryside. You will see the lush green farms. From the highway, the base village is about 4 km. It will take maximum 15 to 20 minutes to reach the base village. On the way, there may be some police checkpoint. Further, you will see the forest department checkpoint where you will have to pay certain amount as an entry fee for the Kalu Waterfall. It's not much. After the forest checkpoint, you will reach to the base village, and there you will find parking, restaurant, veg and non-veg Maharashtrian food. From here you can have a simple trek of 60 to 90 minutes. If the group is bigger, then you inform these restaurant one day prior, so they will make arrangement of veg and non-veg food of Maharashtrian style. We decided to take our vehicle up to what point it was possible to take. You can see the road condition. The road conditions are average. Then the trek started, and we see a lot of litter here and there. Please don't make place dirty. We come here to see the beauty of the nature, and we disturb the beauty of the nature by throwing the things which is possible to take with us back. This is the Malshej Ghat, and this is the Kalu Waterfall, and second one is the Paradise Waterfall. Because of the force and amount of water, Kalu Waterfall is more famous than the Paradise Waterfall. This is the simple trail. You will see lots of people here and there, and this is the valley crossing activity for the nominal charges, not much. It's kind of 100 or 200 rupees per head. Kalu Waterfall trek is having the levels. We successfully reached up to -3 level. We played in the water of Kalu Waterfall. This is the part of Kalu River. This is the water coming from the waterfall, where crossing the river is very risky. That's why there is a facility of river crossing by rope. You can see when we visited in July 2025, the charges were 100 rupees per head and 200 rupees per head by both sides. You can see the rush, and you can see how the visitors are crossing the river by making the human chain. And this is the Kalu River. After visiting the waterfall, we started back our journey to our restaurant. Lots of rush was there, but still we managed to get our food early. These are the restaurant owners, and from here we started our journey back to Pune from Malshej Ghat. Just enjoy the journey. This is the view from Malshej Ghat. You can see the highest peak there, that is Harishchandragad fort, and below if you able to see a tiny houses there, and right side the pink tiny houses, there is a Kalu Waterfall. See, the Kalu River is visible over there. The Malshej Ghat is very much popular among the tourists, especially in rainy season. There are lots of waterfalls around, so lots of rush and traffic jam happens. We can see a police van going in front of us, regulating the traffic, regulating the tourist. If you really want to enjoy the beauty of Malshej Ghat, come on the weekdays. The Kalu Waterfall and Malshej Ghat, this can be a very good destination to spend one day with friends and family. The place is hot tourist destination, so lots of food and stay facilities are available. So you can make a plan, search online hotels and food and homestays. All kind of features are there. You can find out anyone and enjoy your any monsoon day at Malshej Ghat and Kalu Waterfall region. If you like the video, please share with your friends and family, and please subscribe the channel.